CJ, CJ. Hi. CJ.
No, no.
Hey.
No, nobody.
Hi. This is me and CJ. This is me and CJ. Recording.
Oh, now it's recording.
That looks like a documentary.
Look at
The
train,
tracks.
Mom. A train, Mom, no train.
You see the train?
More trains. Choo-choo train, Mom. You see a train.
So what, you're gonna be like a conductor or something? Are you gonna invent a new high-speed train of some sort? Is that what you wanna do? Huh? You wanna become like the... What you wanna do?
209.
The 209 train? What's that? Is that like a new system?
Train.
And are you gonna be like one of the greatest engineers of all times?
Yeah.
So I'm talking about.
Train.
You're a little boastful for a kid your age. You're 3 years old, right?
Yeah, 209.
What is that? Is that like a new train system?
209.
Is that the train that flies?
Yeah.
It is? Well, when you think this train's gonna come out? Like next year, a couple of years from now? How many years from now? The 209 train? I'm excited. I really am. It's like the World Wide Web of trains, right? That's what it's gonna be called. You heard it first here. 209 train coming soon. The first flying train out in the market. And when do we expect this? When we're gonna expect this?
209 train.
That's all you gotta know. That's all you gotta know. Cut.